Alrighty then, got a new archery bow target. Again, picked up, this was about 25 bucks on Amazon, somewhere in there. It's supposedly for not only field tips but broadheads, and you should have ease pulling it because it's through friction and not whatever. I have no idea, but like I said, it's going in. We're going to shoot a couple of broadheads at it, see if it's actually what it claims to be. Field tips come out pretty easy, but like I said, now I'm going to do a couple of broadheads and actually see what those do to it. It's 18 inches. It's the Black Hole. So these are fairly cheap so far. It's proven to be effective. It's really light. I'm liking that. It's not like, you know, some of the targets you're carrying around weighing out the ass on them. But like I said, we're going to pop some broadheads into it and shoot a field tip into it, and then shoot a broadhead into it, and see how, and shoot a hyper strike into it, and see how easy it is to pull this out. So here we go. Field tip first, then hyper strike, and the chickens are fighting chickens. I'm a fighting chicken. Yeehaw. In comparison, let's go with the field tip. Yeah, it's snug, it's tight, comes out with ease. Wow, I am actually relatively minutely, actually more than minutely, I am pretty impressed with that. That did come out really easy. Damn. I mean, it was almost as much pressure as the field tip to pull it out. That's how easy it came out. So that's pretty cool. Black Hole is actually advertising correctly. So that's a good deal. So there we go. And there you are. Alright. Again, this is targets for field tips and broadheads. It's safe. It's not going to do a lot of damage. As you can see, it didn't rip a whole lot through. Now we're gonna have a common sense moment here. Now I know it's easy to pull broadheads out and everything else, but in this situation, usually, you know, common sense is gonna tell you, why not just take the broadhead off here for the moment, because I know somebody's gonna say, well, why didn't you just do that? So there we go.